Good day, fellows, and welcome to CSF Tech and Engineering. Fellows, today I'm here. There is a ABS light on my 2010 Mercedes C250. So we're gonna take a look what is going on. Okay, so let's see. Let me show you here. Okay. So fellows, as you can see, okay, let's start the car. Okay, so when I start it, you see all this lights there. Okay, I have this light on there, and the ABS light also down there, and they have ABS EC ESC current unavailable operators manual, whatever it is, C operators manual. So when you have this kind of thing, that means the car has issues. At least get a pinpoint where which one to take a look at it first. So I'm gonna hook up to the computer, and then so that we get a clue what sensor is at fault. Okay, so fellows, stay tuned. So fellows, I just put on the top down. Okay, so as you can see, it's over there. I don't know if you can see top down. Okay, let's see. Let's go to diagnostics, and then let's okay, in this one you have to turn on the car, start it again, so that we know it can communicate with the car. So, and then let's search, auto search. Now it's gonna look for the VIN number. All right, so we're gonna pinpoint what is the issue. So it pick up the number. Okay, 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 so let's press OK. It tells you all the information about the car. Okay, and then let's say OK. Now so let's do health report, and then let's say yes. Okay, now it's gonna scan the car and see what is the issue. Already have transmission issues and all those things there. Holy cow. Yeah. So far it's 100% scanned. So far I'm gonna take a look at the ABS things first. So let's see. Electronic. Okay, so they have a two issue of the engine control module. Let's see, what does that mean there? Also the vehicle speed signal wasn't receiving. I mean, okay, the mass, the airflow of the secondary air pump, cylinder bank 1. Okay, now let's see this ones too. Okay, wheel speed signal was received. So actually now the wheel speed signal, it doesn't tell me exactly which wheel is that. Okay, let's see this one too. Okay, so now he said this one probably might be a little bit accurate. All right, says the right rail speed signal, okay, from the traction system is not available on CAN bus. Okay, so then that means I have to go to, so we're gonna start with the back rail. Okay, now this is when you use a little bit critical thinking. Okay, when I'm driving and then when I step on the brake, sometimes you can tell that the ABS automatically kicks in. Meanwhile, it's not slippery, and it's not supposed to be like that. So that tells you that either the ABS sensor has a little bit dust, whatever it is. So I have to clean it up and see if that's the problem. Okay. Sometimes too, one problem can trigger a lot of information like this. Okay. So now I'm not gonna clear the code at the moment. I'm gonna take that tire out, do whatever I have to do on it, check what is wrong there, the ABS sensor, and then finally I will see, clean it, put it back, and then let's see if we're gonna have signal. And also have a multimeter, whatever, that we're gonna test it and see if there's a continuity in that ABS sensor. Okay, so fellows, let's stay tuned. So fellows, for safety reason, always put something to hold the tire, so because there's a slope over here. Okay, so I have another one over here too. Now let's bring the tools. That is one thing. If you live in a house, you can do these things, okay? But they also have a downside. The downside is I had this issue a while ago, but it was winter, so I cannot fix it in the winter. So I have to hold on to this problem. And now today we have a warm weather, okay? So I can work on the car. So fellows, now we have to take this bolt out there. This bolt, okay? We gotta take that one out, and then the ABS sensor is in the middle there, right? It's inside there, the hub over there. So for us to get to it, we have to remove this plastic, these bolts that hold the plastic there. So that's what I'm working on now. Okay, so fellows, stay tuned as we taking that bolt out. Then after, there might be another bolt too that holds the ABS sensor. Okay, now you see two wires here. Okay, you have two wires there. So one wire is ABS sensor. So if you trace the wire, okay, this one goes all the way to the bottom there. So fellows, as you can see, if you don't know, you see this is the ABS sensor. Okay, it's out now. Now you can tell it's kind of dirt on the surface there. You can tell there's a dirt on the surface. So we have to clean up the surface, and probably perhaps it will solve the problem. Okay, and it's only one bolt that holds it all. Okay, together we hold together with the this plate, the rubber plate here. Okay, so I took it out. So fellows, with some rag, I'm going to gently. You can tell there's a metal particles, yeah, for sure, on the surface there. All right, so I'm gonna wipe it off with a soft touch though. Yeah, so fellows, you can see two holes over there. See, the big hole is where the sensor go. Okay, these two holes there. These two holes. Yeah, this hole is for the sensor, and here is the screw that holds it in place. So I prefer like to blow something there, the air inside there, but unfortunately I don't have the air hose. Okay, another thing I can do is buy the air can, or then I have to go to Canadian. Okay, so fellows, everything is back on now. Okay, yeah, so I'm going to start the car again and see if the problem will be the signal will be gone. If it's gone, that means yes, we solved the problem here. That means is this ABS sensor at this area. Okay, but then still I'm gonna do the other side anyway, right? Just to do these two sides, the two backs, and then later on, if I have time, I'll do the two fronts, because once one is dirty, for sure, the other one will also be dirty soon, right? So I might have to do the same issue, have the same problem again. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm gonna start the car. Let's see if the problem is gone. So also, if I clean all these sensors and I still have the issue, right, that means maybe the sensor needs to be changed. But at least, you know what, I should have tested the sensor before I put it on. All right, so let's do that and see. Let's disconnect it, and then let's see if the sensor, there's a continuity in the sensor. So fellows, this ABS sensor has a long connection somewhere there. So it's a long wire that goes all the way somewhere there. So to do that, we have to remove, you see I have removed one already there, and they have another ones here, and then there's another also one there. So when I remove it, then I will have access, right? So then I can bring this one a little bit out, so I can have access to that. There might be some other ones too on the top here that probably I may have to also undo. So that is what I'm doing now. Okay, so fellows, as you can see, I'm working on that. Let's take this one out too. Okay, let's see. Take that one out. Okay, yeah, that's hold the inner cover. Okay, it holds the inner cover. All right, I guess maybe these two will be okay. And then there's a clip underneath here that has to come out. Okay, I gotta use some screwdriver to pop it out, and take that one out. So fellows, stay tuned. Try to do it. So yeah, okay, so fellows, see, just to check the sensor, see where the sensor is plugged in. So I have to remove the whole cover. See, you have to remove the whole cover to get to the sensor. I have to remove the top one. Yeah, the top one, this one, I have to remove there. I have to unplug that one, and then I can test it and see what is the issue. Okay, so fellows, so that's what I'm gonna do now. Yeah, all right, so stay tuned. Yeah, this one has to come out, and this is the ABS sensor there. Okay, so I'm going to use the multimeter to test it and see if there's a still continuity. If there is continuity, then that means I don't have to worry about it. Stay tuned. Yeah, okay, so fellows, I guess that's it. Nothing I can do, because the ABS sensor is gone. I don't know, probably I have to go by using the motorcycle to go buy it at the parts store. So let's see if I can do that. So fellows, heads up. Okay, this is the ABS sensor. Okay, they call it ABS speed sensor. Yeah, there's also speed over there. Okay, speed sensor. So this is it. Okay, now I went to Mercedes-Benz to buy. First I went to a regular auto shop or parts shop to get to buy, and then they don't carry it. So I went to Mercedes, and then they recommended that I have to change both sides, okay, which I'm going to do that. But let's see the price here. I don't know if you guys can see. This is the estimate that they gave me there. What is it? What is the price there? Here. Okay, let me use the front camera. You guys can see. Okay. So, where is it? Here. See? For me to get 2 of these wires, this is what it costs for at Mercedes Benz. Okay, plus tax, $283.42. Okay, for that. So, and beside, they don't even have it in stock. All right. So for this car, all right, that's what I'm fixing. See, I put some wood there to jack it up. Okay. So that is how they charge it now. Meanwhile, when I go to Amazon, and I see the wires here on Amazon, see, $24, $22, all right, 21. All right, this is 2 in the box. Okay, 2 in the box is 56.49. So instead, I decided to I'm not gonna buy in at the dealer. Okay, $20. They have, I mean, so they have $20, whatever it is. I'm gonna buy in Amazon. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put the old sensor back. Okay, because I cannot leave it like that. Otherwise, there is dust, whatever it is, water. Probably when I'm driving, water is gonna go inside. So I'm gonna put the old sensor back for now, and then I'm gonna order 2 from Amazon tonight. So I don't know how long it's gonna take before I receive it. So when I receive it, I have to do the same job again. So I will do that side and this side, 2 sides for it. So I cannot do anything now. So I'm gonna work on it, and then we will wait till we get a part. So fellows, stay tuned for more episode on CSF Tech and Engineering. When I put my gear like this, you know that I'm in business. Yeah, home mechanic. Okay, so fellows, let's go and put it together. So fellows, what I'm going to do now is the sensor. That's why it's plugged in there. Okay, so it's gonna go there, just like this one, and then it's gonna go inside that. Okay, come inside that. Okay, and then it's gonna stay like this one. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do now. Let's put it back, and then I also get this thing here, air blaster. So if you don't have the air cylinder, there is air in this one. So any dust that you want to blow, you blow inside, so that inside will be clean. Okay, so that is why I bought this can. That's why I bought it for. So stay tuned. Yeah, fellows, as you can see, it's line up. It's like put it back. Okay, yeah, it's there together with that. Okay, yeah, it's nice. And then the cover goes there. So let's see if I can. I'm gonna put the cover, and then so that no water, whatever it is, will get a rest. Okay, so nice and neat. Okay, so let's stay tuned. Yeah, fellows, this I'm about to put a tie on. So just for quick check, as you can tell, as you can see, I will need a new tire soon. Okay, you see, all the center middle here is worn out. See, the thread, the groove there is getting thinner, and yeah, definitely I have to put a new tire on one of these days. 4 new tires. This is Michelin, and I bought it 5 years ago at I think it was 1,002 something for 4 of them. It was on sale. I bought it, so you can tell it has done its job. Here it's not that bad, but still the middle, that is where most of the trashing is, and then the middle is right, those here is gone. Okay, yeah, and the back tire wider than the front tires, so this ones we cannot do 4-wheel rotation because of the rims at the back. For sporty look, the rims at the back is more wider, right? Wider than the front wheels. Yeah, so fellows, that's about it. So I put everything back. As you can see, I put the cover, right? Put the cover back, everything nice and smooth. Okay, so I gotta put a tire on, and I'll go inside and order the parts. So we will have to do the same thing, the same job over again. Yeah, so it make it look nicer. So, fellow, stay tuned. Stay tuned for more episodes like this on CSF Tech and Engineering.